Hey there YouTube, 85cc Master here, bringing you a video of some log splitting, firewood. So I've been doing white oak and maple, and I cut open a maple piece a couple minutes ago, and what did I find inside that thing? Look at that. Look at that figure, that color, that design. Wow, that really popped. If I put some water on it, you know, it's just some little pieces off of a bigger piece of firewood that I clipped off. But here's another piece of maple right here. You can look on the end and you can see that color. Who would have thought you could find something so beautiful inside of a piece of firewood? I'm cutting on this pile today, and here's some kind of bigger logs, but that maple I had here along with these other ones been sitting there, shoot, probably 8-9 months, something like that. So it's been drying. Let me split open this piece and see what, I'm just curious, and I want to catch it on film, see what this one has for color inside of there. This maple, let's split her open. I'm gonna set the camera down. Somewhere I ain't gonna fall over. Alright, split that one open and got some cool looking design on this stuff. Look at that. Now this stuff will talk to you when you split it. It'll say, wow, look at me. Don't use me as firewood, use me as something else. Look at that. Compared to, you know, boring old piece of white oak. Excuse me, that's maple. Where's a piece of white oak? Yeah, it's in here somewhere, but y'all know what that stuff looks like. White and boring looking. This aged maple always looks amazing. I just think that's awesome. When y'all split maple, keep your eyes open. You might find a surprise that catches your eye. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Daggone, that camera's dirty. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is 85cc Master. Y'all have a good one.